share how Diriyah is linked to the kingdom's rich heritage and the future as embodied in the Vision 2030 plan?
Yes, so part of a Vision 2030 is that the Crown Prince feels very strongly that in order to be optimistic for the future, which the Saudis are, one of the things that I love about being here for 6 years is right now the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, its society is unified behind one vision, which is the King and the Crown Prince's Vision 2030. So you have a very united society. But what's beautiful is that it's a very positive, very optimistic society. If you look through the G20, these great countries, our beloved United States of America, you look at the United Kingdom, you look at France, you look at Germany, you look at Spain, wonderful countries, but going through what I would suggest a temporary period of high polarization, maybe not as optimistic as they used to be. I believe they'll come out of it, but right now the kingdom is very positive. So in the Crown Prince's vision, he sees our culture of 300 years as the roots of a mighty tree. And he feels that if you're anchored in your identity as a people, the source of national pride, you can be very optimistic to the future. So now another trend that we're seeing is the kingdom they don't like to brag about it, so I'll brag. But from every king in Saudi Arabia has put a phenomenal amount of money into training and development. But now all the young Saudis, by the millions, that went abroad to be in college, they're all coming home now because they see a very bright future for themselves, especially the women. 39% of my staff, 2,419 as of Thursday, but 85% of my staff are Saudi. 39% of my staff are Saudi superstar women. 16% of those women are in divisional leadership, full KPIs, full compensation, unlike some other places in the world. And 14% of my staff are from my community of Diriyah. So the Crown Prince in Vision 2030, we want to have a thriving economy. We want to have a healthy society. We want our people to be healthy, educated, have a highest self-esteem, be positive about their futures and their families. So that's why bringing our rich culture with us gives us a sense of national pride, a sense of unique identity to be a leader for the generations to come.
That's such a beautiful philosophy and way of looking at life. So thank you for embodying that. What will